Today we're gonna make the best beetroot salad ever. I have 3 cups of cooked beetroot. These 4 are 2 tablespoons each. Tomato, walnuts, parsley, dried apricots. Let's mix it all together. And just like magic, 1, 2, 3, mix. Now we'll make a simple dressing. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of mustard. I am using Dijon mustard. A little bit of salt and pepper, then we mix. Pour, mix, job done. And there's my beautiful beetroot salad. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.